guys, 안녕하세요 여러분 and welcome back to a new video. If you're new here, my name is Kiran and I'm from India. I'm living in Korea from last 2 years as a student, and along with that, I create content about Korea. So if you are interested in stuff related to Korea, so you can also follow me on Instagram. So now let's talk about today's video. First of all, I'm so happy today, and I was waiting to shoot this video and to share this video with all of you. So if you're interested in Korean culture, so you're gonna enjoy this video, I'm sure. Okay, so without any delay, let's quickly begin today's video. As I'm working in a collaboration with FunPik, so FunPik has sent me a gift to wish me good luck. As you guys know that I am having my TOPIK exam on 29th January. So they sent me this gift. I know maybe some of you are wondering that why they have sent a gift. As per the Korean culture, they have sent me different gifts which are considered as a good luck sign if given to an exam candidate. Yeah. So I got the parcel yesterday and I shoot the video yesterday. So let's start with that video, and along with that I will explain what each gift means. So let's start. So the first one is toilet paper. So there are different meaning of the verb pulda or pullida. This means to be solved the question or the problem. In Korean culture, it is believed as the toilet paper unrolls easily, similarly the candidate will solve the questions easily. So the next one is yacht and chocolates. Yacht is basically a Korean hard taffy. So yacht is sticky in nature. So giving them as a gift to an exam candidate is the expression of the wish that the candidate will pass the exam. This is a good luck chocolate. On the chocolate, it is written 합격, means to pass, and good luck chocolate. So this is specially for the exam candidates. Thank you. And along with that, FunPik has sent me so many cute little gifts like chocolates and candies, and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Okay, so these were the gifts which can be given on the exam day or before the exam. So did you know what kind of gifts do Koreans avoid giving on the exam day? Exam candidates do not eat seaweed soup on the exam day. Do you know why? As a seaweed soup is slippery in nature, so it's difficult to stick to something. So most of the Korean people believe that if they have seaweed soup on the exam day, so they may not stick to one answer, which means they will fail the exam. I am definitely not going to have seaweed soup on my exam day. Please let me know in comments that in your culture, what kind of gifts you share and what kind of gifts you avoid on the exam days. So there are only few days left in my TOPIK exam, and I'm keep preparing. Those who are also having their TOPIK exam on 29th January, all the best guys. Fighting. Let me motivate you to practice more before your exam day with a very short clip. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the best for your exam. Till then, keep preparing and bye.